Hey everyone, in this video I will talk about great products for nurses or nursing couples that have pets. In this channel I talk about all aspects of nursing, from pre-nursing to postgraduate programs. If you want to learn more about nursing, consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. I also have a free 45-day NCLEX guide on my website www.simplefitnurse.com that you can download. Alright, so ever since I graduated nursing school, I have realized that 12-hour shift life creates problems if you have pets. I have a cat, and when I leave my house 12 hours at a time, I feel bad that my cat doesn't have food or get food. There were certain times that I would run or drive home so that I can go and feed my cat. However, that was until I found this product. Now, I'm not sponsored by this product, but I have found it to be a life changer. It is called the Sky Me Pet Feeder. Not only does it feed your pets, but it also allows you to stream your pet eating its food. You can speak into the microphone and the cat can listen to it. And you can even listen to your cat eating. You can also create a schedule that feeds it 4 times a day and also manually feed it whenever you want yourself. You do this all using the app they have, and so if you have a phone and a Wi-Fi connection, you can easily check up on your pet. This product was great because if I went on for a short vacation for a day or 2 days, I didn't have to worry whether my cat had food or not. If you're interested, I bought it off Amazon, so check it out in the description down below. The other product that was super helpful was the Roomba. Obviously, pets shed and their hair gets everywhere, and as nurses, we typically do not want to spend time vacuuming. I mean, who does really? That is why I bought the Roomba, which is essentially a very expensive automatic vacuum cleaner that empties itself. It charges itself and cleans your house for you. The thing I like about the Roomba the best is the fact that you can set it to vacuum when you're not home, and you can choose areas for it not to go to. This is super helpful because I love coming home to a clean house. I will mention that there are cheaper versions of this product and they're not so good. After extensive research, I would buy the Roomba i7 or the S9 Plus. I personally bought the S9 Plus vacuum and I highly recommend it. And again, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I think these things made my life easier and I hope it does for you too. The link will be in the description down below for the one I bought. Lastly, if you have a cat, another great product is the automatic cat litter cleaner. I personally haven't bought this product yet because my wife is still getting over the purchase of the Roomba and the automatic pet food dispenser. But this is definitely very appealing as my wife is pregnant, and as many of you that have written the NCLEX know, pregnant people should not be cleaning the litter. So now that I have to do it more than ever, I have thought about this product which automatically cleans your pet's litter. Now there are cheaper versions of this product, but I do not recommend them because it's just lower quality. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.